In the heart of Ghana, a tech revolution is rising. Ghana's developers are building the future, one line of code at a time. Introducing Ghana's ultimate tech experience, an AI hackathon and workshops designed to unlock your full potential. Cash prizes up to $1,750 and gain skills the world is looking for. Join our AI hackathon, collaborate, compete, build smart AI solutions to solve transportation issues in Accra and agricultural crop problems using cutting-edge machine learning and computer vision. Bridge Labs isn't just building tech, we're building bridges to tech hubs, to global opportunities, and to the future of Ghana. Register now, July 1st to 20th, Accra, limited spots available. Scan the code, be part of Ghana's AI movement. Presented by Bridge Labs.